everyone, it's Friday today, and yes, they are working in that part already on our wall. And also he transfer all the tiles from there because he gonna do the rendering on the side of the laboratory. Ang atubangan na magkilid ana iya pakuan ba no? And in here we have her Noy Anyong, the chief cook.
Kill the chicken.
Yeah, he's preparing the fire so we can boil water. And Scott said we're gonna talk to chicken from the chicken coop, and when they gonna kill the chicken, I don't wanna look at it. It's hard for me to look at the chicken. And good thing down below we have still a lot of woods that we can use.
So ganin mo sigarin ko ah.
Uga na kayo na nino.
Low for this. You're dry na dry.
They said Bambo and Anyong tomorrow are going for fiesta. Daga na. In Bohol, starting May. From May 1 to the end of May, a lot of fiesta. Oh my. These are buhi pa na. May 2 chicken there. So they're ready to kill my chicken, so I will just get inside. I don't wanna look at it. Oh. So these are the 2 chicken that the dog I did not look at when they take out their leg,
Init ka do ang idang panit mo.
because it's hard for me, especially when you are the one who's feeding them and taking care of them. You have an emotional attach to the animals. So maybe, so we have 2 chicken like that left, and we have small one, but they are getting bigger now, so I guess I gonna get more 4 little chicks again to start growing. While Noy Anyong is cleaning the 2 chickens there, Bamboo is continuing doing the rendering in there. And my husband here are cutting the chicken. I don't wanna do it. I can feed them and giving them water and taking care of them, but killing them now. So we just took 2 chicken for our food consumption rather than buying it from the mall. At least this one is really fresh and we know what they are eating. So, which is good. It's quite big. They're putting back the things together because it's Friday and they don't work on Saturday and Sunday. Here. So we're going to give them chicken. Emong kaldero wa.
Ay, uli.
We borrow the kettle.
Thank you. May ulam.
Na Anyong.
Anyong, hating kapatid yung kaldero kaldero. Maglat ako.
Ang yawin oy.
Oh, awilak ilaki kay. What about your pot? Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot the pot. We bought a new lock because the lock of that one before was broken. Nia, 500 na lang. Kaya nakasya advance hanggang 1.5.
Tupak ko no? Tupak.
Ba?
Naglain manok karon ni sabaw diri ko to bang sabaw. Yeah, tupak. Thank you.
Sige. They only finished that part and going down to the sink, especially the side and front, and then at the back of this pressure tank and some at the back of the washing machine. But this part here is not done yet. and even from there going up and that side there. So next week they gonna finish this part here so far, and maybe that part there, we'll see. So I guess that is for today's update here on the work of our house, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe into my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my next video, and do like, comment, and share. Thank you everyone, and see you next time.